Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a split screen effect in After Effects. So let's get started. First get your face track clips ready. Duplicate the main clip and pre-compose both layers. Now go inside Precomp 1. Click the three lines and open composition settings. Set the width to half of the current width, which is 540 pixels. Now position it on your first character. Repeat the same step for the second clip. Open Precomp 2, go to composition setting and set the width to 540. You will notice black edges around the clip, so add motion tile. Set output width to 200 and output height to 200. Then enable mirror edges. Go back to your main composition. Select clip 1 and click left align. Select clip 2 and click right align. Next, select the shape tool and create a thin white line. Press S on your keyboard and unlink the X and Y values. Increase the Y value until the line covers the screen vertically. Align the line to the center. Now add Turbulent Displace and set the size to 8. Pre-compose the shape layer. Add deep glow. Set exposure to 0.1 and radius to 200. And that's it, your split screen effect is now complete. And that's how you make clean split screen effect in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.